Alright, let's go ahead and put this thing on there. Let's see, we need a big hammer. I need crescent wrench. What else did we use? One of these. That's a start. 5/8 socket, it's already over there. Alright, we're going to go ahead and assemble. Poke this thing up in a hole. That. Put our reinforcement block up in here. That one just fell in there. No, I don't remember all these cables go, so we might have to reorganize this stuff later. For now, it's what it is. Seal back in there and let it seek its own level. Rotate it. Oh, I forgot to tap those holes deeper. I think I'll do that. I tapped those holes deeper before to make sure they were the bolts thread in there nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Yeah, it's cutting already. Alright. Put a bit of cutting lube on this. You don't really want to put taps in dry, especially on chrome. Chrome is very sticky. It likes to tear up your taps. Where's the center point at? That ain't it. Where are we at? We got it in there before. I know it goes. There it goes. You don't want to cross it the first time. This one appears to be a lot better open than the other one was. That one pretty easy. It's definitely easier now. It did open up a little bit. One. Spotlight's in the way on this one. Oh, this one's not quite as happy. Yeah, it's definitely not as happy. There it goes, kind of. All right, I think it's through now. Okay, that's good enough. Comes out a lot easier than it went in. All right. Doesn't show any chips, but it's definitely different. tripod in the way. Okay. Now we can try. Let's do that again. Hold it. Top nut in. Make sure you got the flat in the right spot on the hole. You can look in there and see it's where it belongs easily, if you got light. So if you look up in here, you can see it's pretty deep in there. And it's flat, it's got a flat back to it, so you're in the middle of the flat and you're square. See down here, round tube. See the round tube looks a little different than the flat spot does, see? There is a difference. Okay, we'll go ahead and tighten this one down. I went ahead and tighten this down just slightly here so the tube shouldn't rotate. I'm going to tighten this one first, and then we're going to bring this one up, then we'll loosen this one up and retighten it. That'll let the tree self-align to where it wants to be. You got the washer in the right spot here. There it goes. Otherwise you cram the washer in, with a dimple in it. Okay. Now the fork's going to want to turn against me this time, so I don't think I have access to tighten that against the stop, because the stop is the other way. There's a tank in the way, but we'll try it anyway. Okay, it's over. There's a lot of stuff in the way here. I think I can get in here. Yep. Press wrench around the right direction would help. Cables in the way. All kinds of stuff in the way. Alright, that's good and tight. So we need a washer for that. Is that right here? Goes up. And we use the lock nut. See how lock nut did. There it is. 3/4. 3/4. They have 2 3/4. Fork's going to go the other way this time if you tighten it. Ugh. Alright, it's pretty tight. Too much dampening got on the front end so it doesn't move when you're jerking on it either. Everything's tied down pretty tight. This is stiff, suspension stiff, everything's stiff. That's what you want. Okay. Lay on go like this. Go ahead and tighten your bolts down. torque wrench on, you have to work so hard. Alright, it's tight. So you see the wrench flexing? It's tight. See, this is tight. That's flex. It's all flex. And you go a little extra. Let's check this side over here. Oh yeah, they're tighter. Yeah, they're pretty tight. Yeah. All right. Pretty tight. Now we're going to loosen up our pinch. This side. Oh, this has got a bad washer in it. Swap out the lock washer. It's got a crappy one in here. It's got one of these China washers in there. See how it opens up on you? And you start torquing on it. Get ourselves an American one. It's nice and closed up. A vintage one too. That means it's used. Tested already. Passed the test. Okay. Now I can torque it in there good and tight. Alright, it's good and tight. Okay, front end is installed. Stiff that way. The neck bearings are stiff, so move it all this way. Bearings suck on this one.